Hi friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So this is a real quick video to show you what I made. This is a gift bag. I just put one of my traveler's notebooks in it. And as you know, I love the color peach and pastel peach and so forth. So I thought this was a really cute gift bag to make. And this part right here, I absolutely love it, love it, love it. It says, buy me craft supplies and call me Purdy. This right here is from the hot foiling system from Spellbinders, and it's out this month, and I am going to leave a link for you down below. And also there's this huge Spellbinders clearance going on, so I will link you to that too. Let me know what you think of my buy me craft supplies and call me Purdy project share. And so yeah, it's a gift bag, just a regular gift bag, you know, using old papers that I have. So yeah, I think this makes a really great idea for a snail mail gift and swaps and whatnot. So anyways, I'm rambling now. Sub to my channel, leave me a nice comment and a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you. Bye.